Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use two Steam accounts on the same computer at the same time. So let's get started. First of all, make sure Steam is installed on your computer and you have two separate Steam accounts ready to use. Now, press the Windows button on your keyboard and click on the search bar. Type command prompt and open the command prompt application. Once the command prompt opens, enter the commands to set Steam monthly user. After entering these commands, press Enter. Steam will open two separate instances on your computer. The first Steam window will run as one account, and the second Steam window will allow you to choose and log in with another account. Now you can use two different Steam accounts on the same computer without switching between them. Make sure you already have Steam installed and both accounts are available before using this method. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more technology and software tutorials.